This mat was caused by hospitalization. Our client came to us after spending 7 to 8 weeks in the hospital. At the time, she wasn't sure what the underlying issue was and unfortunately went into septic shock. She told us that she missed the whole month of August and she can't take care of her hair when she's unconscious. As a result of all of the tossing and turning for testing, she was unfortunately left with this mat when she woke up. Unfortunately, situations like this are more common than they should be, especially when basic care is overlooked during hospitalization or long periods of being bedridden. In many cases, CNAs are responsible for these types of tasks, but they're often treated as minor or non-essential. One of our stylists, who is a former CNA, and even our client today herself is a CNA. They both shared and related amongst each other that care and hygiene are frequently neglected in clinical settings. Ironically, our client has provided that very care to others in the hospital, yet when it did come to her own experience, she wasn't cared for in the way that she would have treated someone else. This is a powerful reminder that what may seem like a small task, such as hair care, can actually have a major impact on a person's dignity, well-being, and health. It's not just about appearance, it's about proper care. So please, if there's any CNAs watching this, brush through that client's hair, put it in little pigtails, with consent, of course. It will honestly make a huge difference. As we were dematting, we split open the mat and found something unusual. There happened to be a bald spot underneath her mat, and it wasn't just one. We broke open that mat a little more just so that we could get a better look at it. After analyzing, we realized that it went through the entire mat, and we informed her right away. We were curious to see if that was the only spot, and unfortunately, it was not. We took down an area that we were not working on, and she did happen to have one more spot on the right side of her head. But in the final result, you can't even notice. We came to the conclusion that this was likely due to her time in the hospital, the medications, testing, and the strain of her immune system. With everything her body has been through and the stress of it all, it's understandable that she may have lost some hair. It is not uncommon. But we did finish up and give her a good loving scrub and massage. When sectioning her for her haircut, we noticed the spots a little more. Here they are, pointed out for you guys. Despite the bald spots, her end result was still phenomenal. She's healthy and continuing to recover. Here, Karina is working her haircut magic. We gave her a healthy trim and some layers. Then Drika and Karina blow dried her together. You know, teamwork makes the dream work here at Tone Hair Salon. Our clients get the movie star treatment. Yes, ma'am. And here is her final result, guys. Tell me she does not look like a supermodel. You literally cannot. The smiles at the end of this service is truly the most rewarding part. We are all honored to be part of her journey, and we're wishing her nothing but the best in her health, hair, and healing. She is a true reminder that beauty isn't just about appearance. It's about strength, resilience, and the grace to keep going. If you or anyone you know is struggling with matted hair, give Tone Hair Salon a call. We got you.